Hey everyone! As I record this video, XRP is worth $2.82. And just to be clear, this is happening on Saturday, August 4th, 2025 at 1:14 p.m. Central Time. How is everyone doing out there now? I mean, come on, we can have some fun with what's going on in the market, right? Listen up. If you're watching this and feeling a little worried about what's been going on, I have some good news for you. When this video is over, you should feel a lot better about things. Trust me, there's no need to worry right now. I'm just being a little silly, but I have what it takes to back it up. Here's the kicker. I've gotten comments and analysis from 11 different XRP chart analysts. Most of this stuff is from today. This is brand new, straight off the press analysis. Most of these ideas came in just a few hours ago. What you're about to see is brand new information from chart experts who are reacting in real time to what has been going on with XRP. Let's get started. Let's get one thing straight from the start. XRP is down, but guess what? Everything else is too. Come look at live coin watch with me here. It looks like the whole market is red. This isn't a tragedy just for XRP people. XRP itself isn't really broken in any way. This is precisely how markets act sometimes. And hey, while I'm looking at the figures, we're down to $2.81 now. Ouch, I see more red numbers. Bitcoin isn't having a good time either. It costs $112,742. So even the biggest cryptocurrency is feeling the heat. But this is where we need to put things in their proper context. I just saw this post from chart analyst Galaxy. Can you believe he posted it less than 30 minutes ago at 12:50 p.m. Central Time? He's talking about Bitcoin right now, but I had to share this since it makes everything else make sense. What occurs every time we go through times like this? Regular retail investors start to experience that familiar worry, that pit in their stomach, and that feeling of, oh no, what if this is it? Does this sound familiar? But this is what I keep telling you. This kind of thing happens all the time. I keep saying that over and over. You should really expect these things to happen with crypto. Why? This is usual behavior for this market, as the last 16 years of statistics show us. Why should we stress out just because our portfolio went down when crypto has been doing the same thing for 16 years? It goes up and down a lot. And yes, I mean actual money here. Your net worth may have gone down. Mine did for sure. It went down a lot, but you know what? So what? This is the wider picture. This whole asset class has been going up since the first day. Not every day, but every cycle. The overall direction is up. So why would I go crazy if my net worth goes down for a short time, when I know I'm putting money into an asset class that has made a lot of money over time? Just because the price goes down doesn't mean something is broken at its core. It doesn't mean that everything is going to go away. That's not what this means, people. You can tell I'm serious about this because I'm getting worked up. Galaxy, a chart analyst, said it perfectly. Every dip since $30,000 was left behind and never talked about. This one will probably end up the same way. Check out this chart he sent. It goes back to the beginning of 2024. Look at all those dips. Do you see how often they happen? This is the insane part. People all over the world were losing sleep during every single one of these dips, sure that the world was coming to an end. All of them. Did it make sense to freak out back then? Was all that worry helpful? Did it do any good? Or was it just a total waste of time? Based on what really happens, I think we both know what the answer is. Well, here we are again in a downturn. What do you think is going to happen? Mindful. I think this thing will keep going up, just to say. Take a look at this now. This is another post from chart analyst Mustache that truly makes the point. The complete 3 chart is what you see on your screen. And for those who don't know, that's all the coins in the top 125 by market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think everyone should read what Mustache wrote. There are a lot of worried folks out there. Don't look at the lower time frames, which means cease worrying about what individuals are doing in the short term. He thinks that macro is what matters, people. And here's the technical breakdown that should make you happy. Total 3 has developed an inverse head and shoulders pattern much as it did back in 2021. In addition, it has already broken out of that pattern and the retest is over. What did he come to? This is merely a drop before it goes back up. You know what? I'm right there with him. Based on what we're seeing in the charts and how things have gone in the past, I think that's very likely. But there's more to come. Mustache dropped another amazing thing that will blow your mind. Check this out. It's the chart that shows the market cap tether domination percentage. And guess what's going on? It's falling apart. So why is this such big news? Use your head to think about it. What does it indicate if tether dominance is going down? That suggests people are leaving stable currency and going where? That's right. Hey folks, here's what Mustache wrote about altcoins, and it's great. People will soon realize that this correction is a blessing. He is showing us that tether dominance just broke out of a 7-month-long ascending expanding wedge pattern, and it broke to the negative. It's in retest mode right now, and when that's done, altcoins will go nuts again. People, this is only a question of time. What we're seeing right now is just how the market should function. Everything is going as it should. The smart money is getting ready, and the patterns are coming together perfectly. Let's talk about XRP for the rest of this video, because that's what you actually came here for, right? This is a post by Chart Analyst Cryptos that was made this morning at 7:35 a.m. Just for the record, what was XRP worth back then? As you can see, it was doing well at about $2.93, which is a lot higher than our current $2.81. This is what crypto said. If this support doesn't stay strong, we are in peril. If we want to witness a recovery, we need to close an hourly candle above the red line. That red line he is talking about is just over $3. I think about $3.02 or $3.03. I have to give credit where it's due now. Cryptos has been saying lately that everything might start to fall apart. As things happen, he's been changing his interpretation, and to be honest, none of this should come as a surprise. But here's the thing, he isn't claiming that the world is about to end. I respect that he is only saying what he sees. Speaking of being honest, let's chat about Lev Crypto. We haven't reached what crypto said would happen yet. We might, or we might not. The price might even be lower by the time you see this. You are the people of the future here. You know more than I do at this point. But have a look at this post from Lev Crypto from only a few days ago on July 29th. He indicated that XRP was becoming tired on the shorter time spans. The chart suggests that the price will go up to $2.60 before the bull run continues. Now, before anyone gets scared, let me be very clear. Lev Crypto is sure that we will eventually crush it to the upside. He says that XRP might go over $5 and maybe even reach double digits at its highest point. He has been very explicit about his long-term positive view, but he was one of the few analysts who genuinely warned us about this possible move down, which is essential. And you know what? We haven't even seen it get that low yet. Here's the deal. There have been a lot of analysts who saw this coming in the area we're trading in right now. I actually talked about this in my videos that I made before today. I mentioned several analysts who warned us. They didn't have a lot of faith that it would happen, but they did say, hey, heads up, there's a good chance that XRP could drop closer to $2.80 based on how the charts are looking. And here we are now. We haven't reached Lev Crypto's aim of $2.60 yet, but we knew this could happen, especially if the whole market fell down with Bitcoin. Hey, this is just how crypto works. It's not the end of the world. The market is merely doing what it does. Another commentator termed this action Dark Defender. He wrote, XRP hit the fourth wave dip on the daily structure, which we talked about 4 days ago on July 29th, much earlier than anyone else. Okay, I need to give credit where it's due. Dark Defender absolutely called this and has the screenshots to back it up.